Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, grappler hook. Letter B, flat sewer taps. Letter C, toilet auger. Letter D, drain rods. The answer is letter C, toilet auger. Question number 2. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, cold chisel. Letter B, cut-off chisel. Letter C, flat file. Letter D, bending iron. The answer is letter B, cut-off chisel. Question number 3. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, hose clamp. Letter B, pipe clamp. Letter C, sheet metal clamp. Letter D, dimide clamp. The answer is letter A, hose clamp. Question number 4. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, long reach pliers. Letter B, long reach duckbill pliers. Letter C, fencing pliers. Letter D, slim nose pliers. The answer is letter D, slim nose pliers. Question number 5. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, water pump pliers. Letter B, tongue and groove pliers. Letter C, smooth-jawed pliers. Letter D, slip joint utility pliers. The answer is letter A, water pump pliers. Question number 6. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, security torque screwdriver. Letter B, hex screwdriver. Letter C, positive screwdriver. Letter D, torque screwdriver. The answer is letter B, hex screwdriver. Question number 7. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, club hammer. Letter B, ball peen hammer. Letter C, cross peen hammer. Letter D, dead blow hammer. The answer is letter B, ball peen hammer. Question number 8. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, tenon saw. Letter B, hacksaw. Letter C, PVC ABS saw. Letter D, dovetail saw. The answer is letter C, PVC ABS saw. Question number 9. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, stand chain vise. Letter B, portable tri-stand chain vise. Letter C, bench yoke vise. Letter D, bench chain vise. The answer is letter A, stand chain vise. Question number 10. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, pipe taps. Letter B, hammer type flaring tool. Letter C, pipe extractor. Letter D, pipe threader. The answer is letter B, hammer type flaring tool. Question number 11. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, tube expander. Letter B, combination pipe reamer. Letter C, instrument bender. Letter D, spring type tube bender. The answer is letter D, spring type tube bender. Question number 12. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, ratchet bender. Letter B, plastic pipe cutter. Letter C, tribender. Letter D, ratchet cutter. The answer is letter C, tribender. Question number 13. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, heavy-duty instrument bender. Letter B, pocking nut socket wrench. Letter C, torque wrench. Letter D, pipe threader. The answer is letter D, pipe threader. Question number 14. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, pipe taps. Letter B, pipe extractor. Letter C, pipe threader. Letter D, swaging tools. The answer is letter D, swaging tools. Question number 15. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, pipe threader. Letter B, pipe taps. Letter C, combination pipe reamer. Letter D, spiral ratchet pipe reamer. The answer is letter C, combination pipe reamer. Question number 16. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, hinged pipe cutter. Letter B, adjustable pipe cutter. Letter C, soil pipe cutter. Letter D, chain wrench. The answer is letter C, soil pipe cutter. Question number 17. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, four-wheel pipe cutter. Letter B, heavy-duty pipe cutter. Letter C, wide roll pipe cutter. Letter D, hinged pipe cutter. The answer is letter C, wide roll pipe cutter. Question number 18. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, offset pipe wrench. Letter B, wrap wrench. Letter C, rapid grip pipe wrench. Letter D, hex wrench. The answer is letter C, rapid grip pipe wrench. Question number 19. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, crescent wrench. Letter B, one-stop wrench. Letter C, hex wrench. Letter D, mole wrench. The answer is letter B, one-stop wrench. Question number 20. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, internal wrench. Letter B, basket strainer wrench. Letter C, closet wrench. Letter D, packing nut socket wrench. The answer is letter B, basket strainer wrench. Question number 21. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, sink wrench. Letter B, internal wrench. Letter C, valve seat wrench. Letter D, Allen wrench. The answer is letter C, valve seat wrench. Question number 22. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, adjustable wrench. Letter B, offset pipe wrench. Letter C, end pipe wrench. Letter D, hex wrench. The answer is letter D, hex wrench. Question number 23. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, F-clamps. Letter B, G-clamps. Letter C, Dimide clamps. Letter D, Contwist clamps. The answer is letter B, G-clamps. Question number 24. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, offset snips, cuts left. Letter B, offset snips, cuts right. Letter C, aviation snips, cuts left. Letter D, aviation snips, cuts right. The answer is letter B, offset snips, cuts right. Question number 25. Identify the given plumbing tool. Letter A, grappler hook. Letter B, toilet auger. Letter C, plumber's snake. Letter D, flat sewer taps. The answer is letter D, flat sewer taps.
And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck future master plumbers.